This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, external shower, slide-out, LP detector, leveling jacks, water heater, smoke detector, TV, microwave, awning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,474 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.